Right, a quick tutorial on how to use booleans and cut out holes in your mesh. I'm trying to make space for these bolts in the rims. So quickly I'm going to turn off smoothing. I'm going to create the object I want to cut out. In my case it's going to be a cylinder. Size it. I'm going to decrease the amount of heights to 1, sides probably to around 5 as I'm using smoothing, and it will be easier for me to connect the edges together later. Somewhere around there. Now duplicate. Oh, wrong button. About there. Turn that. I'll just do that. 180. Move that down. Position it. Looks about right. Move them to the front, just so that they're overlapping the mesh, so you can see it's coming out from both sides. And now all you have to do is click on the mesh that you want the holes to be cut out in, go to compound objects, boolean, select retain non-planar faces. If you don't do that, you're gonna get some additional edges that you probably don't want. It's gonna mess up my subdivision, so I'm just gonna turn that on. Do subtract, add operands, and select the holes. And there you go, you've cut out holes in your mesh. Now you can stop here. I'm going to clean up the mesh a little bit because I've got some intersecting vertices here. So I'm just going to quickly fix that. I'll just do it on one of them, won't do it on all four, just to demonstrate how I would do it. And there you go. Now if I smooth it, you get a nice circle. You can also, I would increase it to at least 2 subdivisions.